Bring it on through.
How'd you get it in wheels back?
No. Just plow through that thing. Oh, pickle you're in now. Wait, the pickle bit.
What are you doing up there?
Pickle
Billy
bit.
Goat?
That's sketch. Come on through.
Billy Goat.
Billy Goat. You know, I'm a bachelor living alone, but I'm no idiot. I think those are the lifters.
No, these are not the lifters. Here.
The only performance part we're putting on. Ford Performance. Stock lifters. Okay.
Oh, you're supposed to get the Lincoln lifters.
Look at all these Gascodos we got here, man. I didn't even pull them out of the box. You want to pull them out of the box, see what they look like?
Are these more wine vouchers?
Probably. We got wine vouchers up at Wazoo. Someone hooked us up.
They really give you wine vouchers?
Yeah. So that's for the flux capacitor. Seals are up real nice so we don't get any leakies back to the future.
What if we want milkshakes?
Well, they bring all the boys to the yard. Hey, this is Ted and this is Ned.
Hey, I'm Chip. This is Rick. We're on our way over to Dirty Gertie.
The dirtiest of Gerties right now.
We're going to get her pulled out of the garage. We got to get some setup, get some cleaning done. We got to prep the car to put the heads back on. Reason we got the heads off.
Power Tour last year. We thought it was a great idea just to take old Gertsters right out of the garage, no prep style, and proceeded to have more than we have fingers breakdowns on the trip.
Yeah, we prepped the wrong things probably. We didn't prep everything, so I mean any hose fitting and even the radiator on our cooling system didn't make it through the trip. So we overheated a lot.
Yeah, we fought the old cooling issue the whole way, which then propagated into our ignition system failing. So that was pretty sweet.
So we got a lot of work to do to get it ready for this year, for 2022. We've got a whole host of parts. We've got the heads will be coming back soon to get put back on. So we're going to be getting ready with some new gaskets. We've got new hardware.
Got those Velcros
gaskets, whole kit for the whole thing. So heater hoses, new fittings, replaced the radiator in the parking lot at a hotel last summer, so that should be still good.
So we basically took our antifreeze budget from last year, which was
too much.
We could have bought a truck of it for the price we paid at gas stations, and put that into parts this year like a normal person would do when they do this. So
yeah. So hopefully we're doing it right. We got a lot of work coming up here, so we're just pulling up now to Gertie. Let's get her out of the garage. See if this motor works.
Dun, dun, dun,
He
dun.
saw us pull up this time. It's not even like we surprised him at all.
I warned him. Look at all this kit. This little guy right here, Cook, not going back on. This little guy right here,
Nope.
not going back on.
That pulley?
That pulley, going back on.
That one's coming.
Going back on. So we gotta make a list.
Yep.
Okay.
We gotta clean a lot of parts.
All right. So we're gonna call this the list.
Okay. Hopefully it's not too long. It's a tiny piece of cardboard.
Yep. Yep.
So we gotta clean parts.
That's how we budget.
We need like a Tupperware to do a bunch of soaking.
Bin.
Hose clamps
Yes.
for our heater hoses.
What size do we need? Like 8 mils? Joking. 3/4.
These ones.
Okay. Yeah. What else we need? Bins. We need razor knives.
Yes. You didn't bring the razor knives?
Well, we need the scrapey dapers.
Oh, the handles.
Scraper daper ones.
Tank of cleaner, gunk, bin to put it in.
Check, check, check.
Hose clamps are gonna be.
That hardware.
We're in hardware.
More tools.
All right, let's go to hardware.
Okay.
How many hoses did you buy?
That's
4?
4.
It's a 10-pack. That'll work. Yeah, that's the stuff. I don't think it's $6.98 though. Where's the kitty litter section?
Am I paying or are you paying?
Yep.
So gotta be really good at that carnival game where you gotta use the squirt gun at the little pump thing.
Yeah. Oh, you almost got her filled. Keep going. That's a 1 to 5. Getting ready for the reassembly. We've got the heads that are coming back soon from the machine shop, and we need to get them back on the engine, and they'll be the best looking part on the whole thing. So we're cleaning up everything we took off: valve cover, the intake, fuel rail, basically all the bracketry from the front accessory drive, and getting it back prepped, cleaned, ready to go back on.
Yeah, let's just get this fucker out from underneath here.
So when we pulled this off the car initially, there were these little sludge pockets, and all in the valley. Really nasty. You can kind of tell here how bad it looked underneath.
Just like that.
And she's in.
Just like that.
He says not. Oh.
I'm Todd and this is Rod.
Hey, I'm Chip and this is Rick. We've got everything done that we were trying to get done, I think, today. Getting the intake all cleaned up. Getting the mating surfaces cleaned off. Pulled out some more stuff out of the engine bay that we're not going to want to reconnect.
Got some scrub daddies out. Got it all scrubbed down, straightened down.
Yup.
Got all the oil leaks taken care of, at least the remnants of them.
Yep.
Got our intake manifold assembled and injectors back in. Did some inventory of some parts we need to make for various modifications that we're making.
So we can maintain air conditioning.
Maintain our air conditioner.
For the trip this summer.
Because, you know, we need our air conditioner. So,
yes.
Yeah. So what are we doing right now?
So we are on the way to pick up the next part we need to start assembling the engine back together. Thanks to Uncle Billy's buddy.
Uncle Billy's buddy.
Going to get the heads. So hopefully we'll be showing you those next.
Hopefully we're headed in the right direction.
And then we'll get this motor working.